Hey y'all, welcome back to Edit C Cuts and
Adina plays Roblox. Right now I'm not playing Roblox though.
yeah, we're recording a SHEIN squishy haul.
We're not showing our faces, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna cover that up with cats.
It's a long story.
Yeah. First squishy is, drum roll please. Cheese.
Smile.
Okay. Who wants to hear the ASMR? Okay, one sec. Okay. Next squishy is.
Try not to move so much.
Yeah, I will. Nido.
A fake one.
Yes. Mamma mia, pizzeria.
I'm gonna order some squishies from my team here. My budget is 50. Gabriella.
Look at this.
Touch.
Wait, why does this feel good?
I don't
Listen
know.
to this. Do
I
you want to
made
play
a
with it?
fake needle. You remember I made a fake paper needle?
Oh, yeah, and then you pranked me by like this. Can I have it back? Next up, we have
A croissant.
croissant. I'm Daniela from Cat's Eye with the croissant.
The one and only carrot girl croissant.
24 karat gold.
Yeah. Wait, you know the girl like says like, I have the one and
Yeah.
only.
Someone did the
24
eyeshadow of
karat
that.
gold. La boo.
One of the people like on YouTube or TikTok wrote, I have the one and only 24 karat gold Labubu on the eyeshadow. Like, not eyeshadow.
Yeah, they do on the
Yeah,
eyeshadow.
did you see that?
They put like golden eyeshadow on the eye.
Yeah. And, okay, next up we have,
I wonder who has the 24 karat.
there should be a diamond Labubu. I have the butter squishy.
I wonder who has it. If I POV me if I see someone with it.
Okay, we have a butter. Next up we have, I'm trying to not move because, sorry about that noise. I'm trying not to move because we don't want to like show our faces, and when it covers up we might show it. Like, yeah. This is going to be posted on her channel. Okay. So first, now we have, this is actually so soft. Like, And lastly, the tab is squishy. Her favorite. Do you like this? Listen.
Maybe my mom is calling. Is my mom calling me?
No, it's just my dad. Look at this. Okay, this is the end of the video, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to both of our channels. And yeah, bye.